What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Motion back with another video, man. As you can tell by the title, we're in the big body 335 with my little bro whip. We about to go crazy on this little boy car, man. Hey, that joint needs some rims though. I'm trying to tell him that joint needs some rims. That joint look crazy. But you know, we're in the F30 today. We about to start a downpipe on this dude car, as you can tell by the title, you feel me? But first, cause since we live in Virginia, we gotta get emissions and stuff. We gotta make sure we pass all the laws with, you know, emissions and stuff like that. I'm about to go get emissions done on it. So, but that joint lasts for like 3 years, so we cool. But as I can see, look at the big body M. She parked up looking good. You know, I just came back from a road trip, so she kind of dirty. Look at these brakes, bro. That joint be getting my rims covered in so much brake dust. It's not even cool. But peep the tint though. Peep the tint though, y'all. Even see me in the reflection. It's just like a limousine, you feel me? But yeah, I still got plans for this car, bro. We about to go crazy, man. I'm just in the drawing board right now. See what I want to do. What's the next mile? What I want to do. Performance or cosmetic. It's cold outside. Got tears coming out my face and shit. But yeah, let me show y'all the F30 real quick. But I don't know why. Yo, this dude's seat mad close, but hold on. I don't know why, y'all, but hold on. Let me show y'all this. This dude loves these little cherry incense. They make your car smell like a bitch. Like, it don't smell manly to me. Like, he got all these pink little things right here. Like, what is going on, Hobie? I don't know. But peep, y'all, the F30. Should he do the little M steering wheel conversion? You know what I'm saying? This one, like, I'll show you, so different from the M. I got a little different shifter and shit, but I gotta go get emission on this thing. It's cold in here. I don't even know what's going on, but I gotta figure all this out. It's like driving a new car, but I dragged it. But y'all, I'm gonna tap y'all on our way as we go get emissions. You know, we gotta get that done. Then we're going to Shop Built for the downpipe install. Shout out to Shop Built. You know, DMV area, to bring your cars to Shop Built. Best BMW working in the area. Whew. But you know, I'm gonna tap y'all on the way. Nah, YouTube, coming from an M, these joints drive pretty smooth though. Like, coming from an M, like, they drive mad good. Like, make me want to get me a little sedan, like, on some calm shit. Like, man, you drive calm, bro. Like, it's a daily driver. Like, it's not too aggressive on the pedal, nothing like that. Like, the M, that's not aggressive, but like this shouldn't go. Like, it ain't too crazy, but like, this shit's mad outdated with this little iDrive and stuff. Like, I don't know what's going on. It's like iDrive 3, something like that. And they exhausted right there. But maybe a little song real quick. I'll try a little 60 roll. You're make no noise right now. Stock ass motor. Oh, this trying to be bouncing everywhere. Okay. Yeah. Hey, ain't all that. You know, it's a little F55 motor, ain't nothing too crazy. You know, I don't know if you want to do anything else after the downpipe performance line, but I probably think he's just gonna keep it downpipe in tune, because you know, F85 is prone to having mad problems for no reason. So you ain't trying to do nothing like that. It's a little high school daily driver shitting on them folks. You feel me? But like, we almost at the spot right here. It's a missing shop right here. We're almost there, you know. But I get that done. I got up early in the morning. Like, it's like 8 o'clock right now. Yeah, I gotta get up early in the morning just to do this for y'all, cause you know, I like to get up early in the morning and do stuff. I don't like to wait. Like, I like to just wake up and go. You feel me? So we pulling in right now. A's repaired. They gonna get us right. Hopefully they open. YouTube, got the F30 ready, passing emissions. Of course, you know, when it's built by Motion, you know everything will be past everything, you feel me? But I'm about to get on the way to to the lake. My boy shot butt out his new crib today. I might go check it out, you know what I'm saying? Boy get money. Boy, out here moving out to lakes and shit. But why does she look like that? Look like about to hug me. But I ain't getting no breakfast this morning. I'm off the wake up, man. Off the wake up getting content for y'all. Feel me? F30. Got a little headlight malfunction. I'm gonna have Shot Bill look at that, cause what's going on? Why we got a malfunction at BMW, feel me? But yeah, let me know if I should hop in a little sedan. I'm trying to build me a little race car though. I ain't gonna lie. Taking the X5 and trying to build it to a quarter mile, that's wasting money. Cause you still gonna be pushing 10s, you know. I'm trying to hop in the 8s. I'm trying to be a big boy. I'm trying to get in the 8s, you feel me, y'all? But let me know what build I should look into, invest in this year, and make something happen. You feel me? A little project car, you feel me? B58, B58, B58. But hey, man. So I'm gonna just hop on the road. Why they move my seat up? But I'm gonna hop on the road, you know what I'm saying? Give it a little sound clip, pre-downpipe, stock exhaust, stock. Oh, it's fasten seatbelt. I'm like, why is they gonna cry for? But, you know, I'm gonna hop on the road and give you a little content on the way, you feel me? To peep the view though, my nigga live on a lake, bro. This joint trim though. This is a nice view, man. Like, it's a different type of living though. Different way, kind of different type of living. Damn, I know what that lines, but it's a whole different type of living. Like, check me out though. I probably love, but yeah, I'm like 2 minutes away from his house. Dude literally live on a lake, bro. I don't know how people live like that though, cause like you live like an hour away from stores and shit. But like I know the living is just peaceful, bro. Like, man, YouTube, this dude got me lost. He got me going to the wrong address. Now I'm going to his house 20 minutes away. But look at this view though. Yeah, it's the lake right here. Life at the lake. You feel me? YouTube, we just pulled up to the shop. Yo, this is my dream right here, y'all. If y'all know me, this is my dream, having a shop and just playing. Like, he said he just does this for fun. Peep the TTRS though. That can really come my eye when I came in here. The TTRS go crazy, man. He be taking on the track and stuff, but yo, he got all types of old BMWs, all types of stuff. 3 Series. I don't even know nothing about the old classes, but he about to get us right with the downpipe. Nah, this is really my dream though. F80 right here. They gonna convince me to get an F80, sell an M and get an F80, man. Nah, but I gotta go G80, man. G80, quarter mile. But yeah, this is crazy. This is insane. Like, this is one of my dream right here. Like, I'm just sitting here fantasizing this garage. Like, it's motivation right here to keep going, keep grinding. You feel me? But we about to get the downpipes and start on the N55 F30. Yo, too. So we got the car on the lift, but we having problems right now. I mean, we just solved the problem, but like, we're gonna do math stuff. Just get the downpipe off. We're gonna move the motor mount. I'm gonna cut the bolt off right here, cause whoever did this, I don't know. They had the joint weird and the clamp wouldn't even get off, so they just cut the bolt off. But hey, man, got the downpipe. Oh, the gasket fell off, but the downpipe got it. Hey, downpipe on the way. Little bro body be geeking, but you know, things gotta go through. I remove mad stuff just for one simple bolt. Life of a BMW, man. But we get in there though. We get in there, you feel me? Downpipe on the way, man. Now you got some new tires too, cause what is this right here? What is that? But you know what I'm saying? Just take my little thumbnail right now, feel me? But yeah, something like that. I'm probably gonna do when the car get lower, but hey man, man. It's a process, man. Go ahead. First startup. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. It don't sound bad. Yo, it's tuned. How's it popping like that? Probably old. Huh?
It's all half sport plus?
I don't think so.
You just coded it in?
Yeah, I coded it in, but I don't know why it's not working. It's a 2013, but that just sounds good though. I'm gonna tune it when I go home. I'm gonna get up on my phone. Hold on. All right, go ahead. But yo, got the downpipes finally installed, man, at 3 hours. Oh, it's freezing out here. But tune on the way. You see us already popping without the tune, so tune on the way. You know, he just having fun with the car right now. You know what I'm saying? Tune on the way. You know what I'm saying? My brother gonna be like, damn. Look at this thing. That's really look clean. That sound good though, but you know, I mean, you could drive it. You drive it, I'll record it. You go ahead and drive it.
I think that's a tune on the DCT, man. You can't beat it.
As you can see, I was behind that little M3. I gotta find out what year that was, what year, I forgot. But it's the V8 one. They actually asked for the V8 M3, yo. But I was moving that thing a little bit. I know y'all seen me in a little bit, yo. But y'all, I'm in the car right now. She sound okay though. It sound good from the outside, but from the inside, you can't really tell. It's like I'm on it right now. I'm getting on it. You really can't tell, but. Tune on the way. Tune on the way, y'all. Gotta go crazy for y'all 2024. Start 2024 right, you feel me? I'm trying to get the video out today. Right now it's 4 o'clock. I'm gonna get home at 5. Probably get this video by 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. So y'all gonna tap in. You feel me? Bro, there was just an accident on the road I was just at too. That's where they're going. These two trucks smacked into each other and caused an accident. Wow. But man, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for going crazy with me. You feel me? Like, y'all been going crazy, so I'm going crazy back. You feel me? So, hey man, more content on the way for y'all. Got y'all. Don't worry. Don't even trip. I'm gonna have the X5 back out soon. Just, you know, I'm in the drawing board right now thinking, what should I do next? But drop some suggestions down in the comments down below. I'll be seeing all the comments. I read it all the comments, y'all. But peace out, y'all.